Hello and welcome. My name is Zaheer Chaitlal and today I will be demonstrating RIP version 1 and RIP version 2 by using the exercise that was built for studying RIP version 1. Here we have a couple networks to go through before we continue, such as the one on the left here, where the network 192.168.1.0/26 has been subnetted into three networks, i.e. the 1.0 network, the 1.64 network, and the 1.128 network. All the devices on the left have also had their IP addresses configured as seen here. And next we move on to the middle where we have the 10.0.0.0/8 network, which is shared by these two routers. And next we move on to the right here where we have these three networks, namely the 129.168.2.0 network, 3.0 network, and 4.0 network. And each PC here has also had their IP addresses configured. With all that being said, now let's start implementing RIP version 1 into router 1 here. So first we'll go into the command line interface and we'll say enable conf t router RIP, and here we'll add the network 10.0.0.0, and then we need to add the other networks here. Network 192.168.2.0. Let me copy this. And paste. And this will be the 3.0 network. 3.0. And finally 4.0. Okay, let's exit again and copy, run, start. Okay, now let's run the command show run to check and see if our RIP routing is working. And as you can see here, the RIP routing is up and we have all the networks added. So let's implement RIP version 1 in router 0 now. So enable conf t router RIP network 10.0.0.0 and the network 192. Network 192.168.1.0. Okay, now let's exit here. Exit again. Copy, run, start. Right, show root to check and see our RIP routing. Show run, sorry. And we have the two addresses here. Okay, now let's check the address table. Show IP root. And here we have our direct connections. So this is our subnet here, and we have the devices on this end connected through our RIP routing. But let's check on this router to see if we get these devices here. So here we'll say show IP root, And as you can see, we're running into some problems here. So here is our RIP routing, but our 192.168.1.0 network is recognized as a /24, which is classful, but this is a subnet here, which is classless. So this is the problem with RIP version 1, as it only recognizes classful networks. So to get around that, we need to implement RIP version 2. So let's go into conft again, router RIP, and now we'll say version 2, and we'll also say no auto summary. Okay, let's exit one more time and copy run start. Okay, now let's implement RIP version 2 on this side as well. Conf t and router RIP version 2 and no auto summary. Exit and copy run start. Right, so let's check this router and see if RIP version 2 is running. So we'll say show run, and down here in router RIP we'll see version 2 is running and no auto summary. That's good. Let's also check the routing table. Okay, good, everything seems good here. Now let's go back to this one, and at first let's check by running this command to see if version 2 is working. Yes, version 2, no auto summary, very good. Now let's check the routing table to see if we'll have our classless subnet here. Okay, and there we have it. We have our classless subnets being recognized as the /26 here. So now if we send a packet, well, obviously the first one will fail, so let's send a second one, and that is successful. This one will also fail, and another successful. Okay, let's go into this PC here and ping this PC here. So ping 192.168.1.130. Let's see. And we have some replies, which means our RIP version 2 is working correctly. So this has been Zaheer Chaitlal on RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. Thank you for viewing.